Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. As we all know that Mother's Day is approaching, so I am here with an activity on Mother's Day. But before starting the activity, just tell me, why do we celebrate Mother's Day? Mother's Day is celebrated on the second Sunday in May. It's not a federal holiday, but Mother's Day is widely celebrated as a special day to honor all the mothers and motherhood. Together, let's honor the women who raised us and all the mothers who sacrificed for their children. So, happy Mother's Day! Today we are going to make something special for mothers, for which I have taken one A4 size sheet, colored papers and some cuttings which were left over. First, what we are to do is we are to fold this sheet into half. Fold it into half like this. Okay. Now, what I am going to do, I have taken some sheets over here on which I have drawn some circles, and now I am going to cut the circles. These are all of different colors. For cutting you may take help of your parents. Look, one circle is this one. And which color is this? It is of red color. Which color? Red color. And now next circle is this one. And which color I have taken for it? Green. Now I have this color circle. One more circle I am cutting. Like this. Okay, it will come on this one. Now one more circle. What we are going to do is we are going to make flowers with the help of these circles, right? Now look here. Which color I am cutting? Which color is this? It is pink color. Which color? Pink color. Look. Look, we have cut all the circles of different colors. Now we are going to take, and all the circles we have cut, we need 3 more strips for it. Okay, now we are going to paste circles on one another. So look, I have this green one. Now I am going to paste this red circle on it. So I am going to apply Fevicol all over the circle like this. Only little bit of Fevicol is required. And now paste it like this. Okay. Now I am going to paste another color on it. Blue color. Like this. And now, which color is this? Purple. Now it will come here. Purple color. Our one set is done. Now I am going to take another one. I have taken light blue color and pink color, and I am going to apply Favicol all over the sheet, all over the circle, and pasting it here like this. Now I'll do pasting of green sheet. Like this. Okay. Now again I'm going to paste a purple one on it. Like this. Okay. Now I have blue color over here and I'll cut a pink circle for this. A small circle of a pink color. Now I'll be pasting on it. Like this. And again I'm going to take a purple one and paste it on the same one. Okay. Now I have taken all three sheets here, like cut into half like this, and we are to paste all this on like this. Okay, look. These three are ready. Now let's keep it aside. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make a pocket of it. Look, I have measured it from here this much only. Okay. Till this side and till here. And I'm going to put lines here now. Only this much we require, and I'm going to cut it. Now let's paste it over here like this. We are to paste only on 3 sides, not on all the 4 sides. Don't apply glue on the one side. I have applied glue on only 3 sides. Now let me paste it here like this. Leave a space little bit. Now it is pasted here. Yes. I have done this. I am going to fold it here from this side like this, and also from here like this. As I am to make a folding card like this, now put it here in this one like this, and one like this. Our folder is ready, but I need some support here. So I'm going to paste a sheet of card. Now I am going to paste this extra sheet in between these so that it will be a good one. It will not come down. I have applied glue over here and I am going to fold it like this. Okay, fold it like this, and now I am going to paste it here like this. Apply glue here also, on the other side, everywhere, and now fold it and paste it like this. It is giving a look of standing calendar. Now I'm going to put it here and here like this, and one more will come here like this. Our calendar is ready, but one more thing is left in this, that is giving a quotation on it. So I'm going to write down Mom, you are my sunshine. Now look, our surprise gift for Mama, and your Mama is going to be very happy when you are going to make it. I hope you have come to know how to make this beautiful standing calendar for your mother. And you all have to make it for your Mama on Mother's Day. Let's make our mothers feel very happy.